This is a recent purchase of mine. It's a 1907 pattern Enfield bayonet, World War I, SMLE bayonet. This is an Australian version. As you can see here, it is marked on the grip Australia, but more importantly, the manufacturer's stamp or markings are here on the blade. And you can see 1916 Lithgow, and if I turn it over, there's quite a few markings here. A inside of a star, a little L inside a shield, various Australian markings. It's also marked on here number 2 MD, which I believe is a military district in Australia. If anybody knows what the number 2 district is, please leave me some feedback or let me know. The scabbard is also marked, and in this case it's a mismatched scabbard. The scabbard is marked 1 MD and then a serial number. Nice original World War I SMLE bayonet, Australian version, 1916 Lithgow bayonet.